Hi guys, we have this Kohinoor Charminar Rozana rice. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review. Let's get started. So this is 1 kg pack, has MRP of 118 rupees, but I got this one from Amazon at rupees 81 and the shelf life is 24 months. Now look at the grains. Mostly they are broken grains, but yeah, not the tiny tukda. Most of the grains are 3/4 in size. So coming to the recipe, rinse rice 3 times with regular water to get rid of any excessive starch. And now soak the rice for 15 minutes. Normally the soaking time is 30 minutes, but this pack says 15 minutes, so we'll do that. Here I have boiled 4 cups of water for 1 cup of rice and add soaked rice to the boiling water. Now reduce the flame to low and cook for 10 minutes. Now strain out the excess water and let the rice set for 5 minutes before serving. For clothespan method, the pack says 1 cup of rice and 2.5 cup of water. And you see the cooked rice here. The grain do not stick to each other. They are completely khila chawal. So it was not a full grain. Length of the rice seems to be average and the taste is okay. Flavor seems to be average. Go for it if you are not a perfect basmati admirer, because this seems to be a tukda of basmati, not a proper basmati rice. And this rice variant is offered in 1 kg and 5 kg packs. Considering the price point of 81 rupees per kg, this one is an average rice for your regular dal chawal. So if you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.